This is my 2013 Volkswagen Jetta. And about 2 weeks ago, we had giant rocks. And giant sticks.
Oh wow, that got hurt.
Attack my window. And the insurance company originally said it was going to be a lot of money.
Oh man. That's
But then
not looking.
we called Colorado Mobile Glass.
Whoa, seriously? I never knew the name, but okay.
And they saved us over $200. They came to our work. And they installed a brand new
Windshield.
OEM quality Volkswagen windshield. They have the same guarantees as the other company.
Real easy.
And it was real easy. And was the guy quick?
Yes.
20 minutes, done. Very well. Was he on time? He was even early.
Cool.
So we are very
Happy.
for our new windshield.
Yeah.
Thank you, Colorado Mobile Glass.